stuck in endless meetings to piece together what changed last sprint, buried under inconsistent version numbers and half baked release notes that nobody reads? The changelog and release notes pack crushes these headaches with semantic versioning logic that auto detects patch, minor, major changes from commit metadata. Commit to notes mapping templates that parse Git logs into human readable summaries. Customizable stakeholder distribution lists with role based content filtering, and pre built integrations for GitHub Actions, Jira tickets, and CI pipelines. Product managers, dev leads, and release engineers say goodbye to spreadsheet hell and hello to automated clarity. Because nothing says professional like shipping notes that don't read like git blame output. Here's what's inside the changelog and release notes pack. Semantic versioning engine that analyzes commit patterns to auto-increment version numbers. Commit parsing templates that extract Jira references and code diffs into structured summaries. Stakeholder communication modules with customizable email Slack templates for devs, QA, and execs. Integration layer for GitHub, GitLab, and Bitbucket webhooks. Automation scheduler for nightly builds. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. Because your release process shouldn't require a PhD in Git archaeology. Installing the changelog and release notes pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add changelog-pack. That's it. You'll get the entire workflow: semantic versioning logic, commit parsing templates, stakeholder distribution modules, and CI CD integrations. All phases include code templates, API connectors, and test suites. Your next Claude Code session picks it up automatically. No config files, no YAML nightmares. Your AI assistant now knows how to parse Git logs, generate release summaries, and blast notifications to Slack channels. Because manual change logs belong in the same museum as punch cards and floppy disks.